What's good, y'all? It's your favorite Empress. Welcome and welcome back to another episode of my PUM PUM Talks series, where we're all about the elevation of women through self-care, chick chats, and overall self-improvement activities. I'm your host, LaDanya, but over here they call me Empress Moxie. Today's video is all about corrective body routines. So today I'm going to be giving y'all an in-depth corrective body routine inside and outside the shower, so we can continue into 2024 by removing blackheads, hyperpigmentation, whatever it is that's on your body that you need to correct. This is the video to watch and guide yourself. Before we continue into today's PUM PUM Talks episode, I have a small favor to ask from you. 3 months ago, 80% of the people that watched a video on my channel did not subscribe. We're now down to 78%, and I want to get that down to 50% by spring of this year. So if you've ever watched or liked any of the videos I've posted, or if you like my channel in general but have not subscribed, please do. Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. It helps my channel more than you would ever think. Think about it this way: the bigger our community gets, the more people I can share gems with, and the further I can go into my content journey. Thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing if you haven't, and enjoy this episode. Alright, so this is pre-shower, and this is a pre-shower tool. It's a dry brush. The main benefit of a dry brush is actually helping to remove dead skin off of our body, and we usually use this outside of the shower because our skin is supposed to be dry. Alongside the main benefit of removing dead skin, which aids in smoother looking skin, is going to be the benefit aiding with massaging our lymph nodes and further helping with blood circulation. So that is what the benefit of this pre-shower corrective tool is going to give us. I was put on to dry brushing by Jackie Aina. I saw one of her videos last year and I got one, and that is because around this time last year I was having issues with exfoliation, dead skin, and everything, and I read up about using the dry brush thanks to Jackie Aina. And the more that we use the dry brush, it actually reveals smoother, softer skin, and it just gives a softer touch to our skin, especially in climate like the Colorado one. Typically, when you use your dry brush, you wash it and air dry it, okay? So let's get in the shower. Alright, y'all, so we're starting out in the shower. We're gonna be talking about the products that make a difference in our cleanliness, hydration, moisturization, etc., and more. So of course we're gonna need our washcloth, or the item that we use to scrub our body. Y'all have been seeing this forever in the Black and African diaspora. By now you know exactly what this is, but if you don't, this is an African net sponge. It's a really revolutionary product. It not only helps you to clean your body, but it exfoliates at the same time. It has a bit of coarseness. Whenever you use the African net sponge, it removes dead skin, exfoliates, and reveals a more smooth and beautiful skin underneath all of that dead skin that you just removed. Ugh. Even better, the length of it allows you to scrub your back and any other hard to reach area. This is how long this one is. I know there are shorter ones, but this one that I have is super long. It allows me to stretch behind my back and wash my back, so you know it's a whole 360 clean. So we've talked about our rag, washcloths, or applicators that's going to help us get the cleansers, the moisturizers, the exfoliators, whatever it may be, onto our skin while showering. Now we're going to get into the process of cleansing. I have a routine, like I said, inside the shower, and cleansing is what comes first. And whenever we're cleansing, this is all about cleaning our skin, our body, of any bacteria, sweat, or dirt that might have been on the surface of our skin throughout our day outside or wherever we may have been. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle Soap has been my favorite. It's a product that does exactly what it says it's going to do, and that is cleaning my skin. And their Pure Castle line has different essential oils in them, but I usually go for the baby unscented one. But I'm currently feeling experimental this new year, and that is why I'm using the tea tree oil flavor of the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle soap. It also helps with eliminating acne scars, or any type of discoloration you may have on your skin. Of course, when it comes to tea tree oil, it may take a little more time compared to the more medical grade products that we use to remove discoloration and dark marks. But I love that it's in my cleanser because we're killing two birds with one stone. In my corrective body care routine, after cleansing, I go straight to exfoliation. Exfoliation is going to further assist in revealing more smooth and beautiful skin. The smoother glycolic acid body wash from Naturium is one that I've been using alongside my African net sponge whenever I'm exfoliating, because it's double the exfoliation and it really reveals softer, smoother, and supple skin, which is my favorite because Colorado winters are not fun at all. They're very harsh on the skin, and we have to do lots of exfoliation to maintain the look that we want in our skin. Like I said, every product that we're using in our corrective body routine within the shower serves a purpose, which is why I'm going to talk about this next product, also from Naturium. This is the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash, and when I say this one will have you coming out the shower so glazed, your skin will feel like butter. This product has body oils in it, which helps to nourish the skin, and it gives a finished look for when you come out the shower, because a lot of times when we shower, some of the products that we may use may strip away the natural moisture that we have inside of our skin. So using the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash from Naturium is how I tackle that. Speaking of hydration, I also have the Dove Moisture Bar that I just mentioned. The Dove Beauty Moisture Bar can be used in substitute of the Naturium Glow Getter Oil Body Wash. Honestly, a lot of people have a misconception that the Dove Beauty Bar is a cleanser, but it's actually not. This bar adds moisture back into your skin, and that is why you would use it after cleansing and exfoliating, so you can add back the moisture that you stripped away in the previous processes in the shower. I've been a faithful Dove Beauty Bar fan for as long as I can remember. Because she's affordable, I can buy her in bulk at Sam's Club, and who doesn't like that? Each bottle of the Naturium is actually 16 something after taxes, so I would go with my Dove before any other product to substitute her to get back moisture into my skin. But all the products I'm mentioning are worth it to me. I have the budget for it. I'm just letting you know which could substitute which. Alright, so now we're out the shower. I had to brush my wig real quick because my cat, she plays all day. She was behind me playing with my hair. But now we're out the shower and we're gonna get into maintaining hydration, continuing to remove dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and all of the sorts so that we could look supple like a glazed. You know, I don't want to go too deep into it, but you know what you want to look like. You know you want to look scrumptious, soft to the touch. Period. That's how we do it in 2024 forward. Grown woman things. So my way of locking in hydration and prolonging moisturization outside of the shower is going to be with my lotions, oils, and creams. This is somewhat controversial in the beauty niche, but some girls like to use the oil before their lotion or cream. Other girls like to use their lotion and cream before their oils. And it makes sense to me to use my lotion and cream before my oil, because oil is mainly used to lock in whatever is underneath. So using an oil after you use a cream or lotion, which is going to trap in that hydration and moisture, it just makes sense. Just like when you're oiling your scalp, you're trapping in that hydration and moisturization. Okay, so here's how we're gonna do this. I live in Colorado, and we are a state with 4 seasons. That means we have spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter, okay? And for each of these seasons, it requires a different sort of hydration for my skin. So I have a whole collection of lotions, creams, and all right, this right here. And you're gonna be able to tell that I'm a really huge Jackie Aina fan because this one was exposed to me in the same video as the dry brushing video, and I've been using it since. It's really good and it helps to even our skin tone because it has 1% niacinamide in it. I really like this one. Speaking of moisturization and creams, this one by Nivea, I live by it. I went to Jamaica when was it I went to Jamaica? May of 2023, and I saw my aunt with one of these. I almost left Jamaica with the jar that she had. I felt like I was exposed to the softest, most obedient cream or lotion I've ever been in my life. That's how good this one lathers, and it doesn't leave an oily or sticky feel where you're scared to sit after because it just goes in. It just goes in and does what it's supposed to do right away. So this is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. I've been using it on my body and my hair. Now we're gonna go into some bonuses. This is the bonus track of some of the products that make a difference in my corrective body care routine that I recommend. Number one is going to be actual tea tree oil. One you can find at the beauty supply store. You could get it more refined or organic as you like, but this one is just as good as the others. And like I mentioned, tea tree oil is antibacterial and it's commonly used to treat things like acne, athlete's foot, nail fungus, and insect bite. Tea tree oil is an essential oil that I definitely recommend to keep in your cabinet or closet whenever you think of a corrective body routine ailment. Next in the bonus list is going to be the Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% solution. This is a product that's formulated for acne-prone skin. I've been on this bottle for a good 5 months, and quick solution to acnes that pop up. I usually have hormonal acne or acne due to accidentally eating dairy because I am lactose intolerant. And this is what I use to prevent my pimples because I am a pimple popper. It's a really bad habit I have, so this solution on the pimple and it dries it overnight. I use this overnight. I put it right on top of the pimple. By the time I wake up, the pimple is either ready or all the way dried out. It works instantly. So I definitely recommend it as a corrective product in your body care routine. Alongside the Ordinary Salicylic Acid is going to be this product from Topicals. Hey Topicals, what's good? I heard y'all went to Ghana. I want to go to Ghana. Hi, it's me. I have your product. I use it. Next time you have a brand trip, think about me. Think about us, what we could do. So this product has ingredients like melatonin, niacinamide, and kojic acid, which are properties that assist in clearing up your skin and eliminating dark marks and hyperpigmentation. So it does work a little bit slow, but it works, and I've been seeing the results. So I'm a fan, and I'll continue using this in my corrective body care routine. Last on this bonus list of corrective products is going to be this corn stick. The reason I even had corn, I have a really terrible habit of wearing my mom's shoes. Okay? Bear with me. Here's the story. My mom wears a size 7. I wear a size 8.5. So if my mom has a cute shoe that I like, I would wear that shoe no matter how much it's burning my toe. I will keep that shoe on. And that was a very poor habit, which resulted in corns on the side of my little toes, which is why I had to use this product to correct the corns. This product relieves the pain by removing corns and calluses, which was an issue that I had. And because it works, I'm here to recommend it to you to actually try it out. I got this on Amazon. There are instructions on the back that help you out with how exactly to apply it and keep it on. But that is all on my list of products to assist in our corrective body care routine inside and outside the shower. I hope you found this video helpful. That is what my Pum Pum Talk series is for. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and come back for more next week Sunday. I will see you then. Bye.